Trying to light a fire in the rain? That's insane. What you need is Quicksurvive, the smarter fire starter. It's the waterproof, weatherproof, whatever-proof fire starter. It even burns right on the water. Forget about forever soaking and stoking the coals. Just watch how fast Quicksurvive fires up the coals to bring the heat to your barbecue. Now you're cooking. Quicksurvive's secret is a proprietary blend of oil and wax that you light like a wick to start your fire quick. It's military tough and built for survival, no matter when you need it. But made safe for everyday life. It's non-combustible, so you can safely store, pack, and travel with it anywhere. Quicksurvive is compact, easy to carry, and lights even when wet. Quicksurvive gets the fireplace roaring in no time, the fire pit flaming fast, and instantly helps create heat and light on cold, dark nights. Quicksurvive is perfect for emergency use, hurricanes, and flooding rains because it starts quick, stays lit, and won't quit. Even these strong winds won't extinguish this flame. Ordinary fire starters are no good on damp wood, but because Quicksurvive burns strong and lasts long, it does the job with ease. Take it tailgating with friends or to the lake for a cookout with the family. Even frozen in a block of ice, just light and Quicksurvive ignites and burns bright. Guaranteed.